Alright guys, today I'm doing a review of this Japchae. This is a Korean style noodle. As you can see, it's a glass noodle. And this was at Costco, believe it or not. And if you can see here, no preservatives. And here's the ingredients. If you guys want to read that, pause the video there. So these sweet potato starch noodles. So it's a little different than your regular noodles, so we're gonna cook this up. Comes in little bowls like this. And that's what they look like, so we're gonna open this up. So it comes in little bowls like this, but I'm gonna actually cook it on the stovetop. As you can see, it's a little bit easier and you don't get the plastic. So anyways, I'll be back and I'll do a quick taste test. Stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, here's the Korean Japchae. This is your glass noodles. So as you can see, it's all cooked up. It does come with that plastic bowl, but I took it out of there. So, and I just cooked it on the stovetop. We're gonna do a quick taste test, guys. You can see the vegetables in there. And you can get these at restaurants as well. You know what? It tastes really good. For being frozen, it's actually pretty decent compared to restaurants. I've had sometimes restaurants overcook the noodles, and the noodles become too soft. So if you never had these yam potato noodles, actually are really good. They're really texture-wise, they're not crunchy or anything, but they're really al dente. Okay, so definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel. Like I said, it's actually pretty good.